Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best smokers for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're just starting your smoking journey or looking for a reliable tool to up your game, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is Smoking Meat 101, The Ultimate Beginner's Guide by Bill West. Priced at just $11.39, this budget-friendly option is perfect for those who are entirely new to smoking and want to learn the ropes without breaking the bank. This comprehensive guide includes 16 high-quality images that visually explain techniques, making it easy to understand the basics of smoking meats. The book covers everything from selecting cuts of meat to understanding wood chip flavor profiles and mastering temperature control. It's well organized and written in a conversational tone, which makes it accessible to beginners. While it doesn't offer hands-on functionality like a smoker, it's an excellent way to build foundational knowledge before investing in equipment. Readers have appreciated the straightforward instructions and practical advice, but advanced users may find it too basic for their needs. If you're looking for an inexpensive way to start your smoking journey and prefer to learn through reading, this guide is a great pick. It's not a physical smoker, but for $11.39, it offers incredible value for knowledge acquisition. Just keep in mind that it's not a substitute for actual equipment. This is a book, not a device. At number 4, we have The Electric Smoker Cookbook for Beginners by Delois Townsend, priced at $14.99. This cookbook is tailored for those who already own or are planning to purchase an electric smoker. It's packed with flavorful recipes for poultry, beef, pork, lamb, fish, and even seafood, making it a versatile addition to your smoking arsenal. The book's standout feature is its focus on ease of use. It walks you through the process of smoking step by step, ensuring you get juicy, smoky results every time. The recipes are simple yet delicious, and the book includes tips for seasoning and marinating that elevate your dishes to restaurant quality. However, the cookbook doesn't delve too deeply into smoking techniques or troubleshooting, which might leave beginners wanting a bit more guidance beyond recipes. Overall, this cookbook is a fantastic complement to an electric smoker. For $14.99, it's a small investment that can significantly enhance your smoking experience. If you're an aspiring pitmaster looking for recipe inspiration, this book is a solid choice. Taking the number 3 spot is the Pit Boss Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker Cookbook for Beginners by Sean Stone. Priced at $16.99, this full-color edition is visually stunning, featuring vivid photographs of mouth-watering dishes that will inspire you to fire up your smoker. It's designed for users of wood pellet grills and smokers, making it ideal for those who want to explore smoking, searing, roasting, and baking all in one. The book provides a complete grilling guide, from preparation to execution, with recipes that cater to a variety of taste preferences. Whether you're tackling ribs, brisket, or even desserts, this cookbook offers something for everyone. However, it's worth noting that the book is specific to Pit Boss smokers, so owners of other brands might find some sections less relevant. Additionally, while the recipes are beginner-friendly, it doesn't provide much technical guidance on operating a smoker. If you own a Pit Boss or are planning to invest in one, this book is a fantastic resource. It's slightly more expensive than other cookbooks at $16.99, but the high-quality images and diverse recipes make it well worth the price. At number 2, we have the Masterbuilt 30-inch digital electric vertical barbecue smoker, priced at $249.99. This smoker is a favorite among beginners and experienced users alike due to its intuitive digital controls and spacious design. With 711 square inches of cooking space, you can easily smoke multiple racks of ribs or whole poultry for family gatherings or parties. The patented side wood chip loader is a standout feature, allowing you to add wood chips without opening the smoker door, a critical design choice that maintains heat and moisture. The removable water bowl adds another layer of versatility, letting you experiment with different liquids to enhance flavor profiles. However, The performance maxes out at 275 degrees Fahrenheit, which might limit options for high-temperature cooking. Additionally, while the smoker is relatively easy to use, the power cord length could be restrictive depending on your setup. This smoker is perfect for beginners who want a user-friendly experience coupled with professional quality results. At $249.99, it's a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about smoking meats, but keep the moderate temperature range in mind. Finally, at the coveted #1 spot, we have the East Oak 30-inch electric smoker for outdoors, priced at $254.98. This smoker is a game-changer for beginners and seasoned smoking enthusiasts alike. With 725 square inches of cooking area, it's a beast when it comes to capacity, ideal for smoking larger batches or preparing meals for a crowd. The smoker's standout features include a built-in meat probe for real-time temperature tracking and an automatic keep warm mode that kicks in once your target temperature is reached. Add wood chips anytime through the side loader without disrupting heat or smoke, ensuring consistent results. The 6 times longer smoking sessions per load mean fewer refills and more focus on perfecting your craft. The powder-coated steel build and sleek night blue finish give it a premium look, while the digital controls make operation a breeze. Although it's the most expensive option on this list at $254.98, the East Oak offers unmatched convenience, reliability, and performance. If you're ready to invest in a durable, feature-rich smoker, this is the one to get. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.